Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of February 16 to the end of February 2025 for the zodiac sign Aquarius. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this reading, kindly share the channel with them as well. And other all important links are down in the description below, so if you want to check them out, kindly go check the description. You can get to know all my other details right there. So thank you so much and let's begin. So Aquarius, it's time to heal. Again, if you are already walking the path of healing your own self, emotionally, or it could be physical heal also, but it's more of an emotional healing, or any kind of trauma healing that you have been walking that journey. If that is what you were doing since really long and you were not able to find the right healer, chances are that you will find the right healer. If you've already found the right healer and you're working with them already, you will see that you will see the difference in this period, like how much you've healed. You will realize all of those things in this duration. And for people who have been thinking whether to get onto it or not, and you have your own confusions going on, I would say that yes, it is time for you to get on that path. It is time for you to get on that journey. So that is what I would say for if it is only and only around healing. One message I would definitely here add is that some of you, are rather wasting your time to, you know, uh, to make the person or people who have hurt you understand that how much they've hurt you and what has made you feel so bad and all of it, but understand that it's pointless to go and make them understand. If they really had the capacity to understand all that, they wouldn't put you through what you've gone through. Simple. So hence I would say that instead of going behind them and telling them that this is what, um you're trying to convince them about, that they shouldn't have hurt you for this reason or why all of that, instead of doing that, work on yourself, do the healing. It's like, so I remember this story that I was told that if at all a snake bites you, imagine yourself rather running behind the snake and asking why, and why you didn't deserve that the snake bit you. Instead, do you do that, or do you go and get yourself first healed, like you get the poison out and you get yourself healed? What would you choose? So this is the same thing happening over here. The people, it's no point going behind them, asking them why, and explaining them that why you didn't deserve it. It's time for you to rather heal yourself. And about this, one more thing I'll add here is, it's time to for you to realize your own value. You making others convince is not going to make, you don't need their validation. It's just not needed. You guys are good the way you guys are, and if you know it, if you are confident about it, it's okay if they think they are not, because there will be someone who will come into your life, or people, there will be people who will. So it can be again a romantic partner, or it could be even a lot of people, sometimes in the family or whatever it is, but people will realize your value. The right people will realize your value, so be with them instead of spending your time and energy on any people to understand. Now this can even come from the work front. If you feel that there are too many people who are spoiling your peace of mind, or just trying to affect you in some way, don't try to tell them that why they shouldn't do it. Rather, deal with them in a different way, find ways to deal with them in different way, and that may be more surprising, and then they may leave you alone. So that is what I feel. But yes, other than that, let's see what are the other details coming for you. What are the other messages coming for you on other aspects of your life? Let's dive more deeper. New beginnings, new opportunities coming, uh, coming swiftly at the same time. Challenges are going to be a thing of a past. That is a very, very strong message. That challenges are definitely going to be a thing of a past, and definitely new beginnings coming out of nowhere. So I am very sure that you're least expecting for new beginnings. Again, new beginnings even happen when you start healing yourself. So if you're doing that, great. For some of you, the new beginning is, getting on the path of healing, so this also could be a thing. But otherwise also, you will be seeing many new beginnings. Let's see, as we'll go deeper, we'll get to know where all. But definite new beginnings coming swiftly, coming fiercely into your life, which is going to bring in, though it's coming with a lot of fears, but it's going to come with a lot of positive energy. You are definitely getting into the space of taking care of yourself, definitely getting on the path of self love and self care. That you're definitely getting to. Growth is what you're going to see, and joy is also what you're going to get. And I see you, blooming into something really, really good, in the coming days. Like you will, they say that there is a very different glow in a person, a very different energy, positive energy in a person. That is what I see in the coming days. Let's see what is coming to you in terms of work. New phase, for sure, new phase, celebrations, forward movement, great, amazing. Work wise, you are seeing, a forward movement happening. You are going to be entering a new phase of, your work life. Now it could be coming with a promotion, it could be coming with some new beginning, like, you get some new opening in some other job, some other company. Or you may, whatever it is, you're moving into the a brighter phase, a more joyful work life is what I see for you. But success is what is coming, new phase is what you're stepping into work wise, which is going to bring in celebration also. So you will be celebrating that particular, whatever this shift is in terms of work. There is a forward movement. Only thing is, because this is going to bring in transformation also in your work life, positive transformation. So make sure that you are then looking for these opportunities. Look around, be aware and alert about new opportunities coming, because it seems like you will be busy at times, reminiscing over what is gone. Again, I even said in the personal, on the professional front, that you may have to let go those things that are not, that didn't serve you. Maybe there was something from, your co-workers or whatever, that you were tired of, and that is why a new thing is also coming to you. So make sure you are rather making the most of it, and doing the needful for that matter, being aware, because there is a new beginning and a forward movement happening in terms of work. So whatever you were looking forward to in terms of work, the forward movement in work, that's coming your way now. Okay. Let's see what is coming to you for finance. Okay, so when it comes to finance, I would only say is that just don't be too impulsive in taking any decision. Take your time to take the decision. Again, don't take forever. At the same time, don't be too quick or too impulsive about anything, because again, new phase over there also. You're going to be like, tables are about to turn. So if there was something that you were struggling with when it comes to finances, things are about to shift. Tables are going to turn 360, and you're going to be served with all the necessary thing to increase your finance. So if you were lacking some planning, there will be someone who may just come to you and give you some plan. There may be someone who, if you're lacking, let's say, some information from somewhere, or maybe someone just shares some article, or you may come across some article, and your questions that you may have, or whatever you were confused about, it will just get, it's like out of nowhere it will come to you that, okay, here is the information, and that will get resolved for you. So whatever it is, you're looking forward to in terms of finance, you're going to be served. Only thing is, you got to have a good balance within yourself. And if you maintain the balance of not being impulsive, at the same time not taking forever, if you manage to have that kind of balance, then there are infinite possibilities for you to get your finances at the level that you want. Like whatever your financial goals are, you will be able to get them, achieve them all. So you are ideally having new beginnings in many ways. If I have to say, because work wise is definitely what I already saw, and I even saw it in finances, and now I'm seeing it even in love, romance, and relations as well. So again, there is a forward movement, or there is like, you're entering the new phase of your relationship. Whatever it is happening. Now let's talk first about people who are committed. That is, either you are already dating, engaged, or married. If you guys are looking forward to move into the next phase of your relationship, chances are really beautiful and high to move in that direction. Yes, end of one phase and beginning of the new phase. If you guys were in that vicious circle of nothing moving ahead, maybe it was either because of you, or because of your partner, or because of none of you, but the situations used to be, like some or the other situation used to arise where you guys couldn't do anything, and hence you all were in that trap. But now is the time where you will be able to break free that trap and do what is necessary for your relationship. So all the best with that. And people who are single, I see that someone really nice, someone interesting coming your way. So if you're open to dating, then yes, there is someone coming your way. Someone who is, who is beautiful actually in every way. Now, beautiful doesn't have to, I'm not talking just, don't consider it in the form of just gender. The person, like, is a beautiful soul, is what I would say. Not just the physical appearance. Like, it could be beautiful, handsome, but the person, the nature of that person is beautiful. So that is what I see. Definitely beautiful memories that you guys will create together. Again, both of you are equally, may share a lot of common goals, in terms of, especially in terms of financial goals. But both of you are goal oriented, most likely. And if at all, one is, the beauty of one thing that I clearly see is, now whether whatever, you are like, since we are doing the reading of Aquarius here, but whoever your partner is, irrespective of the gender, you guys, the male in your relation will be properly into their masculine energy, and the female will be in the female feminine energy. At the same time, we all have both, right? The masculine and the feminine energy, and we both, and you guys will even maintain that within each of your own self. So which is great. So if at all, yes, you are looking forward to break free the trap of being single, this is going to be a beautiful period for it. Wow. This is a strong confirmation that there is something new coming your way, like a new beginning happening for you. Whatever has been not moving, things are going to move forward. People who are trying to maybe even conceive, chances of you conceiving is really high. Again, I would just add here is that you may have experienced past few months, you may have experienced chaos into your life. That was because this whole new transformation was going to come into your life, and that is what this is now going to come. The transformative period has started for you. Already it had started, and hence you are experiencing chaos. Now you will see the fruits of all that chaos, and it will start making sense to you that why all this chaos was there, what is the thing that is shifting. So universe is definitely giving you the fruits of everything now to you. So hang in there, don't give up, because I can again say that very safely, say new beginnings are just around, and you're going to experience some amazing stuff. Expect powerful change. I just mentioned it. This is literal confirmation coming from universe, angels, whatever you believe in, whichever power you believe in. But the divine has given us a confirmation that expect powerful change. That I'm learning that endings are merely beginnings. Again, see, I have been saying new beginnings are happening, and of course when new beginnings happen, something is obviously coming to an end. Like your singlehood is going to come to an end. New beginnings are happening in terms of work. So if you're shifting into a new job, or your own business, you may have to leave your prior workplace. So whatever it is, yes, again, very very surely a confirmation coming your way that yes, endings are merely beginnings. New beginnings are on the horizon. Amazing. Earth guide, your sacred calling upon this planet is to simply love and be loved. So again, whatever this shift is coming into your life, it's going to be, I think very much where, you're going to be loved for whatever you're doing, whether it is on the work front. You will create, I think, a real good impact also on a lot of people. You may inspire a lot of people, and hence you may even attract that love and affection and good wishes from a lot of them. Expand. Growth is often uncomfortable and messy, but necessary. So, again, yes, you are attracting growth, is what we've even spoken earlier as well. So, yes, that is coming your way. Again, this is like a confirmation that don't limit yourself, be open to receive, big, powerful changes, and enjoy it, because it's time for you to grow and expand. That's why also maybe a lot of you may walk the path of healing, because you know that once you heal, no one can stop you from growing and expanding to some other level altogether. I forgive those who have hurt me. So, yes, maybe you should forgive those who, again, this forgiveness comes from a place of healing. So, confirmation again that yes, you are going to walk the path of healing as well. My God, so many amazing stuff happening for you. Like, I can't believe, like, such a good reading for y'all. Like, I can actually feel that amazing energy happening for you guys. I am just pure magic, which is great. Yes, you are just pure magic, and you're going to experience magic. So be open to it. I believe that I can manifest happiness. Today, I shall practice gratitude and cultivate joy in all the ways I can. I will call someone who will be happy to hear from me and spread my joy like sunshine. So that's again a great sign coming for you. Again, you can manifest whatever you want, not just happiness, and that is what you're doing in the coming days. So yes, be in that state, be believe that you can do that. And again, practice gratitude, because that will help you attract things faster as well, or manifest things faster as well. Oh, confirmation. Humongous shift is coming for you, for sure. This is the second time the card is coming. Even from the other deck, the card has come. So this is bringing in a huge transformation, that's for sure. Don't worry, you're going to be protected all this while by the divine. So nothing to worry about it. Whomever you believe in is going to protect you for sure. But yes, big shifts are happening, and it is as good as that you will be now able to make and build your life the way you want. So again, focus on manifesting and attracting right things as well. You deserve to rest until you feel restored. So whenever necessary, make sure you rest it out as well, and then keep going, because healing will need some amount of rest and restoring as well. Joy is coming even if you can't see it yet. So yes, joy is coming your way for sure. And that's what I think we've clearly discussed in the reading as well. So just be ready to accept, will be in the receiving energy. You're about to receive some amazing stuff, and this is like a confirmation. I choose happiness today and every day. So it's time for you to choose happiness today and every day. Again, this affirmation has clearly come, to remind you that stay in the receiving energy and use these affirmations to get in that kind of a mindset at least. Look for a sign. Wow. Every time there is a confirmation, so look for a sign. Maybe this reading is a sign for you. Maybe you will see that, oh yes, things are happening in a certain direction. You may see certain changes happening already. So you will, and some things I've mentioned that what you may be experiencing so far, and that is what will make you understand that yes, if those are the things happening with you right now, then look for those signs. And if that is happening, then yes, what is also coming with it. Now what is going to come, what amazing stuff is going to happen with you now. So I hope you do resonate. Please do let me know if you have any suggestions, if you want to share something. I would love to hear from you for that matter. If nothing, just say hi, let me know where are you from, and let's connect in the comments section. And I would be really waiting to hear some amazing stories from you. So until then, thank you so much, and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.